Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, 2025. Big day, Fed day finally here. So at 2 o'clock we get the announcement and then the press release, and then Jerome Powell does the press conference, and nothing's expected. But you know what? Everyone will be looking at the comments and any guidance from Powell. I did see some statistics. I'm not sure how accurate or what the source is, but there's an expectation of 2 cuts in the remaining part of 2025 at 36%. 1 cut's 25%, 1 cut remaining in the year, and 0 cuts is a 20% probability. So not take it for what it's worth, but that's what the statistics that I saw out there. The other news I think was pretty interesting this morning is that GDP second quarter came in an estimated 3% growth, which is above the 2.3 forecast. So a very strong number on GDP in the second quarter. And given all of the uncertainty and wailing and gnashing of teeth over the tariffs, to put together 3% growth, pretty remarkable. So it's a good sign. Again, first estimate, but I think that's a good, interesting data point. Next, today we get Meta, Facebook, and Microsoft as earnings tonight. So again, that will be noteworthy as well. And then tomorrow we have Apple and Amazon, and then Friday morning is the jobs number for July, and that that'll be a sign too. So looking at what's going on, there's the markets continue to kind of grind higher. The lot of option activity, and it's been a historic off the charts. And not to get into the mechanics of it, but there's a lot of call buying in shorted stocks. So a shorted stock is someone who's betting that it's going to go lower, and then the call option bought by the speculators or individuals or whoever, that is a bet that's going to go higher. It's a leverage bet, and it's squeezing the stocks higher and forcing the shorts to come in and buy further. So again, it's one piece of the market, but it's certainly a sign of speculation, and it's also a point that it's irregardless of the economic data or Jerome Powell's comments. These things are going on, and in this case, forcing stocks up for the time being, and maybe again it continues. So we'll be back on Friday. Good luck handling everything. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and let us know if there's any questions or suggestions. Thank you again. Goodbye.